We have prepared this celebration for my uni ko iho, Ram Carlos, and her ate, si Kylie.
Nag-ikot kami, mga naka-4 na churches kami.
Wala silang baptismal ng 3 o'clock.
Walang slot. At saka parang sabay-sabay ata yun. So, yun.
That's the reason why we chose St. Michael.
Saktong birthday niya ngayon. Last yung binyag. Yun, naging practical lang kami. Sinabay-sabay na namin lahat. Isang buhos na lang. So, yun. Sana maging masaya lahat.
So, Kylie really wants to have a party. Kasi nakita niya yung ate niya, si Ate Kyra, na nag-7th birthday. Sabi niya, Mommy, I want to dance with 7 roses too. I want to have a party.
If ever you need something na I can do and I can give naman, bibitawan ko lahat. Parang ginagawa sa daddy mo. I would never ever turn my back sakaling kinakanya ako. I promise that.
Si Kylie pa mismo nagsabi na parang kailangan namin gumawa ng letter. Tapos kailangan daw ng konting iyak. Ganun siya ka-clingy. Ganun siya ka-sweet.
Everything from the heart na lang. All the messages, everything came from mommy's and daddy's heart. And we'll do everything for our children. We love them very, very much. Live long so that we can be with you forever. Like we can grow old with you.
Happy birthday,
Ram and Ate Kylie. We love you.